Okay, gonna do a quick review on Lot Bubba soft drinks. This is a Lot product. It 100% guaranteed, money back guarantee on all the products. You're not happy with it, just take the product and just see back to the store and they'll give you money back. Okay. It's 1 serving per container or bottle. 270 calories per bottle. 1 total fat. Okay, total carbohydrates 68. Total sugars 68. Include 68 grams. Includes 68 grams added sugar. This is basically this is a stabilized version of Pepsi. And you got this is the 20-ounce bottle. You can also buy them in 2-liter bottles. You got 2 different Bubbas. You got the blue bottle like this. I think it's supposed to be the equivalent of Pepsi. Then they got the red bottle, which I think is supposed to be equivalent of their version of Coke. They're not too bad. I buy them all the time. I drink a lot of soft drinks. Really too much. I'm a caffeine addict. Gotta have my soft drinks every day. Some people out there with the coffee, I have to have my soft drinks. They're pretty good. The Bubba's pretty good. It's fun. They sold Dr. Pop as usual, their soft drink that I prefer over Bubba. They didn't have any cold Dr. Pepper, so I grabbed a Bubba instead. You usually run 89 cents up at the cash register versus close to $2 for Pepsi and Coke products in their store. So you're paying about half what you would for Pepsi and Coke products. That's about half what you would pay for Pepsi. This costs about half what you would pay for Pepsi or Coke product. But like I said, it's pretty good. This is Lot's Bubba soft drinks, cola. You can buy it in your any Lot store that's near your home or where you work.